अस्सलाम वालेकुम everyone. आज हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है sum of the digit method. So today we learn about the sum of the 8 digits method. In sum of the 8 digit method, actually the formula is depreciable cost multiplied by fraction. Now the question is, what is actually depreciable cost? So depreciable cost is the value, that is cost minus salvage value or residual value or scrap value. So in this question, the cost is 5 lakh 50,000 and you have to subtract salvage value, that is 50,000. So the depreciable cost is 5 lakh. And the another phenomenon, that is fraction. The formula fraction is n in bracket n plus 1 upon 2. Here we denote n as useful life. Now the question is, what uh, uh, there is no requirement of depreciation rate in the sum of their digit method. Depreciation rate is available, then you do not have to do anything with the depreciation rate. Here the life is 10 years, so you can calculate the fraction by two methods. The first one is just to calculate from 1 to the value of life given here, 1 plus 2 plus 3. You have to calculate all the values till 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And the value will be 55. On the other hand, you just put up the value of estimated useful life in this formula, and you will get the same answer by putting 5. And here is 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Then you will get, sorry, it's not 5, it's 10. So 10, and here 10 plus 1 divided by 2, and you will get 110 divided by 2. Eventually the answer will be same, that is 55. So if you have a short value of estimated useful life, you can calculate by this method. But let's suppose if your the value of useful life is 40 years, then it will be a wastage of time to calculate your fraction by this formula. So simply put your value on the fraction formula, that is n in n plus 1 upon 2, and you'll get the same result. Now calculate the depreciation. Depreciation formula for sum of the digit method is depreciable cost into fraction, and depreciable cost will remain same. You have to calculate the depreciation for the first 5 years. So depreciable cost will remain same, and the fraction is here 10 upon 55, 9 upon 55. Why? The numerator actually tell you numerator indicates the remaining useful life, whereas denominator is uh, indicates the value of fraction from which resulted from your fraction formula, and it will remain same. So the first year we have the estimated useful life of 10 years. So 50,000 divided by 10 multiplied by 50, you will get 90909, and the accumulated depreciation is 90909. In the next year, depreciable remain will be same, and the formula will be 9 upon 55. Why 9 upon 55? Because we have already used our asset for the 1 year, therefore the value of numerator now become 9, and the fraction will remain same. So 5 lakh multiplied by 9 divided by 55, you will get 81818, and the value is 172727 accumulated depreciation. Now in the third year, you will get in the third year you will get the numerator, that is 8 years, because we have already used our asset uh, for 2 years. So now the estimated remaining useful life is 8 years. So 8 divided by 55 multiplied by 5 lakh, you will get the answer 72727. Similarly, after 3 years, the fraction has become 7, because we have 7 years of remaining useful life. And the fifth year, we have 6 years of useful life before the calculation method. Now the annual depreciation um, has been decreasing gradually, but it is a method of some of the 8-digit method. Now the difference between all these items like of depreciation expense from first to second, second to third, third to fourth, and fourth to fifth year, it will be the same. Now check it out. Here the depreciation difference between these values is 9091. Now let's check out the difference between 81818 is 72727. Again the same value. Now 72727 minus 63636, if we have the same value, and here is 63636 minus 54545, again the same value. So the same value add up in the preceding year. The depreciation expense is much higher with the that value, and for every next year the depreciation decreased by the same value. Therefore we call this method as a sum of the 8 digits method. This is the case where we purchase our asset at the beginning of our financial year. What happened if we purchase our asset in the middle or somewhere between the financial year? Now, the case will be different, and we will discuss that case in our second video. Until then, thank you so much.